Oikos has many orphanages coming on our path and asking if they're able to use Oikos resources for use in the orphanage as far as for educational resources. And it's not Oikos resources do not fit into the box of education, as in the graded box or the different level children all at the different ages and takes a little bit of getting used to an idea of how can the Oikos resources be utilized in an orphanage environment or in a school setting environment. And our answer to that is yes, they can all be utilized in that. However, that's not the focus. The focus isn't about putting your grade 1 age children together and your grade 2. It's more about assessing your individual children that are in your establishment, the home, the orphanage, the foster care, whatever it is, and then establishing their levels and then using the resources to fit according to each individual child's level. Because you can have a 14-year-old that cannot read. So you're not going to start them at a 14-year-old grade level, clearly. You're going to start them with Blue Book, and you're not going to start them with the grade 1 book, because Oikos doesn't have a grade 1 book. You're going to start them with Blue Book for language and teach them to read. And they're not going to think, oh, I'm doing grade 1 and I'm 14. They're going to see they've got a reading program. And now this reading program, it looks very immature and babyish because they can't read English or speak English. And so now you're going to teach them with starting from the basic steps. Now, I'm an adult, and if I suddenly wanted to learn Spanish, I would get a Spanish course and it would teach me how to say hello in Spanish. And it would be very elementary, beginner level. So that's how the approach that Oikos uses is regarding each individual.